Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Transamerica Life Insurance Forms Portal detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type Transamerica Life Insurance into the search bar. Click on the official Transamerica website link to access the home page. Locate the search icon or the menu bar on the home page. Click on the search icon or hover over the menu bar to find relevant options. In the search bar, type Life Insurance Forms and hit Enter. Browse the search results to find the Life Insurance Forms portal. Click on the link that directs you to the Life Insurance Forms section. Once on the Forms portal page, look for a list of available forms. Review the list to identify which form you need to download. Click on the desired form link. The form will typically open in a new window or tab. If it opens in a new window, look for the download icon. Click the download icon to save the form to your device. Choose a destination folder on your device to save the file. Once saved, navigate to the folder where you downloaded the form. Open the form to ensure it has downloaded correctly. If you need to fill it out digitally, ensure you have a PDF reader that supports form filling. If it's a print form, you can print it directly from your device. Follow any additional instructions provided on the form as necessary. Now you are ready to complete and submit the form as required. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.